Hello students, today let's learn three tables. Repeat with me. 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 fives are 15, 3 six are 18, 3 six are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24, 3 eights are 24, 3 nines are 27, 3 nines are 27, 3 tens are 30, 3 tens are 30, 3 elevens are 33, 3 elevens are 33, 3 twelves are 36, 3 twelves are 36. Keep repeating and you can listen again and again so it will register.